In a dimly lit room, an artist uses shadow puppetry to reveal a surprising truth. The wings of a butterfly can powerfully illustrate the impact of deforestation. By manipulating shadows, the artist shows how the absence of trees disrupts the delicate balance of ecosystems. This visual storytelling not only captivates but educates, making the invisible visible. It's a quirky yet effective way to convey the importance of conservation. Who knew shadows could speak so loudly? If you enjoyed this enlightening tale, hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.